This is really cool. It is our North Oaks Medical Center camera, and you can look at that lightning. So a little while ago, the sky was just going crazy with all of that lightning, and it's because of this storm that's just to the south. There's Ponchatoula. Notice we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Sharkey, for Strader, for Lee's Landing, and it's heading to the east at about 25, so it's going to be in Madisonville in about 25 minutes. Let me show you what's happening. So what we have is this cold front that's going to stall. And notice how the rain is now developing to the southwest. It looks like we could have it moving over the same area. And that's why the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch. It's in effect until 7 o'clock. Still that potential for another 1 to 3 inches of rain. Keep in mind on the North Shore, a lot of you have already seen about 4 inches of rain. There is a look at the watch on the South Shore, and we're about to get our chance. So we can look at what's happening. There's the flash flood watch. Look at the lightning with these storms. So when you see the lightning increasing, that can indicate that you've got a strengthening storm. And we've got a whole lot of lightning with these storms that are to the west-southwest. You've got it over here on the North Shore and also heading into Gulfport. So here a look at where we've got that severe thunderstorm warning. About 237 lightning strikes in the past 15 minutes, and it's heading towards Mandeville again at about 11:03. You can see what it looks like in 3D, and that's got some heavy rain. Heavy rain over by Mandeville, by Slidell, and look, Bay St. Louis is getting a pretty good thunderstorm too. I put the train tracks up to give you an idea of how it's moving, basically staying in this line, but look, beginning to push a little bit more to the south. So that means South Shore, we're finally going to get some of that rain. Doppler indicated a good 3 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen, and we're seeing a rainfall rate of close to 1.5 inches to almost 2 inches. Rain moving into the metro. You're probably seeing a lightning show if you're looking out towards the lake, but South Shore really not a lot. So we look at that forecast model. These models have not done a great job, I've got to say, but it gives you an idea of the potential. And this is the potential that we're going to have a line of rain and storms develop. Look, cold front's not here yet. And as we go through the day, we see it, there it is, that northwest wind beginning. So it's really the South Shore that's going to have a decent shot at some rain tomorrow. How much more? Maybe 1 inch to 2 inches. High temperatures today, mid to the upper 80s, not as warm tomorrow. 70 now in Hammond with the southwest wind. Slidell has rain, it's 72. And right now it's 75, and it's storming over at the airport. So your forecast, here it is. Upper 70s tomorrow, more rain and storms, flash flood watch overnight. Weather looks great Thursday.